What's up, money growers? So I got a great video for you guys today with some good info you're going to know if you're looking to get certain credit cards with Navy Federal Credit Union. Now, go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you like this kind of info because they have increased some of their cash back bonuses and, some things like that. And actually, one of them it's gotten a little worse. I'll show you guys in a little bit. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And if I miss anything with these cards, please let me know about it down in the comments section. So if you guys remember, I've done some videos recently talking about like each individual Navy Federal credit card and going over things with it. So some of those deals, a lot of them expired August 31st. They have some new deals out that you guys are going to want to know about. And the first one we're talking about is the More Rewards American Express card and their special offer, right? So here's what they're offering right now. So now this card, the More Rewards card, it was, if you spent $2,000 in 90 days, you got 15,000 points, which is a $150 value. They've actually increased this now to still where if you spend $2,000 in 90 days, it's the same amount you have to spend, but now they increased it to 20,000 bonus points, which you could cash in for $200 if you like. So they actually increased this 5,000 points or 50 bucks, depending on how you want to look at it. So if you're actually waiting to apply for this card, now might be a good time because you're actually getting a better deal for signing up. And one thing that also changed too is they were giving a 0% intro APR on purchases for 9 months with this card. Now they've actually changed that around to where it's 0% intro APR on balance transfers for 12 months. So if some of you might be in a situation you could actually use that, hey, then this may be appealing to you. The variable APR, that stays the same, right? 9.65 to 18%, pretty common with Navy Federal. And this deal actually expires on November 1st. So you do have a little bit of time if you want to take advantage of this, but this is one where they improved the offer and the sign-up bonus, the points and the cash back and all that kind of stuff on this card. Next, we're going to look at the Cash Rewards credit card and their special offer with this. So this one also changed, probably for the better, some might say, depending on what you like. So what the Cash Rewards was before August 31st was if you spent $2,000 in 90 days, you actually only got $100 cash back. Well, they've actually increased that now to where, again, still $2,000 in 90 days, but now it's $150 bonus cash back when it comes to this card. Now, another thing with the card is they were offering a 1.99% intro APR on purchases for 6 months. That's pretty much gone. Looking around here and looking around on it, that part is nowhere to be found. So there's no more intro APR on this card, but they do give you a bit more bonus cash back if you sign up and if you still spend the $2,000 within 90 days. So intro APR is gone, right? You still have your 1.5% cash back on purchases that this card has been known for some time. So this is one where they actually increased the bonus cash back you're getting for the same spending the same amount of money. This expires on October 4th, so you have less than a month. If you want to take advantage of this card, are you thinking about getting it? You got less than a month to go ahead and act on that. Remember, you can pre-qualify for these credit cards with Navy Federal. You can go through the pre-qualification process here on the website, and they will let you know if you pre-qualify for the card. Now, going to one card that actually got a little worse. The bonus is actually the same, but you do have to spend some more to get it, okay? Now, this is with the Visa Signature Flagship Rewards credit card and their special offer with this one. So what this card was before was that if you spent $3,000 in 90 days, you got 40,000 points, which can turn into $400, right? And this is the flagship card that goes up to an $80,000 credit limit, where the other ones go up to $50,000. So this is like, for a lot of people, this is the ideal card they eventually want to have with Navy Federal. Now, what this changed to was instead of spending $3,000 in 90 days to get those 40,000 points, you still get 40,000 points. It's still a $400 value, but now you have to spend an extra $1,000. So now it's $4,000 in 90 days of opening your account. So if you're going to spend $4,000 anyway, then hey, it's probably not going to be a big deal to you. But for some people, that's something they probably want to look at, is now they have to spend a third more in order to get the same amount of bonus points and the same amount of cash value that they would have gotten before August 31st. So other stuff here, this is the same. The 3 points on travel purchases, the $100 statement credit for TSA pre-check, 2 points and everything else. You can do your Amazon Prime membership, they'll reimburse you for, right, the $130 value. And this actually expires November 1st. So you do have a little bit more time if you want to take advantage of this. So, some people may want to wait and see if this goes back down to $3,000. Obviously it's up to you. Remember, this is the only Navy Federal credit card that has an annual fee, and it's just $49. So, I mean, that's better than you're going to find a lot of other places. And the variable interest rate, 9.99% to 18% with this card. So you are getting the same bonus, right? You're getting the same $400 value and 40,000 points, but you're going to have to spend a little bit more to get it. So that's what's going on with Navy Federal. So some of you guys, if you're looking for some of these cards to get a better deal, then hey, you may want to look at the More Rewards card to get a little more bang for your buck, and you may want to look at the Cash Rewards card. So if there's something I missed, tell me down in the comment section below. Other than that, I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you're thinking about applying for a card with Navy Federal, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I appreciate all of you watching.